Alright, so I had a clicking sound when I would switch the recirculate and fresh air on my 2014 smart car. You might notice that whenever you switch it from heat to cold, you have the same problem. There's two motors that need to be checked whenever this is happening. So if you come down the passenger side, I have them both out right now. There's two motors here. This one here is for the heater and AC blender, and this one right here, part number V3268003, goes on top of this cage right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it mounts up there. You may have a problem with both, you may have a problem with one, but this one right here is for the recirculate and fresh, and this one right here is for the heater and cooling blender. If you have a problem with that, just replace these motors. There's usually a little gear inside of them that goes bad, and they just need to be replaced, or if you can somehow source the gear, and figure it'd be a lot cheaper, but I'm not be able to find it, and kind of doubt you'll be able to find it. So there you go. Hope this helps.